Hello everyone, and as always, welcome in Monique's Kitchen. It is always a pleasure that we meet again to this channel, and thank you very much for stopping by. And thank you all my subscribers and my new subscribers. I couldn't make it without you. So thank you for all your support you giving me to this channel. And please watch all the videos always to the end so I can have credit, and that can be make me more happy to post more videos. So this video is about the seafood that I'm about to share with you. It is a little while since my kids asking me, so every time I'm making something for my family and you are a part of my family too, I always want to share it with you. So to that, let's start cooking. First level, this is my crab. And seaweed too. It's already clean, but I'm still gonna squeeze that lemon to it. And then this is my shrimp that I'm going to clean it too. And this is my sausage, so that I'm going to use. And I have two onions, potato, I have 2 potatoes, and I have just the whole pack of garlic. And this is persil. This is 3 tablespoons of butter I got. And this is all my dry seasoning like paprika. You see I have a lot of paprika, so you need that. And I have onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. And this is another seasoning will come with lemon to it too. So yes, this is what I have, and I have this seasoning too. I'm going basically put a little bit of everything, and this is another seasoning that I'm going to use on it, so I can have like the best taste ever. But it's up to you. And this is my corn. This is a frozen bag of corns I have. You can use fresh one too, but I didn't have fresh one, so I have this one. That would go. And then my egg is boiling over there, so yes, let's start. You can use any onions you want, so let's start cutting the onions. I'm going to cut it as small as I can. Yeah, as you can see, this is a small. See, this black thing, this is where the poop is. Look at this. It's good now. Let's rinse it out. Start with it. Let's cut the potato. Now it's time for me to just squeeze a little lime over my crab, because I'm sorry, this is how I eat it. Okay, 1 spoon of butter. I'm gonna let the sausage fry first so I can have the flavor of the sausage. So now we're gonna put some of the ingredient we have. Cayenne pepper, basil, and then best part, and I don't want it salty. Yep. A little bit of seafood seasoning. Because I'm not putting no salt. And that's it. So let me taste it again. Yep, that's it. And I'm gonna let it boil a little bit before I put those potato and corn on it. Potato and the corn. Okay, let it cook. So now let's take it out. Then we're going to add the seafood, the shrimp, the crab. So let's put the crab now. To let it steam for like 5 to 10 minutes. Let it steam. Let's make the sauce. This is about 1 big tablespoon And the rest of the garlic. And the rest of the onions. Now let's put everything on my dry ingredient: black pepper, onions powder, paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper. So I put everything. Put it on low, it's too high. And I'm gonna take a little sauce I take from this, and I'm gonna put it on it. This is gonna be my sauce for the crab. Let me taste it. Put the spicy. Then we're done. 10 minutes, my crab is done. So, time to eat. Okay, family, my seafood, it is up. My seafood, it is done, family. And my kid's going to enjoy it. This is the best day ever, which is the month of July. It's my birthday, so yeah, that's what everybody's so happy, because they're gonna have all those good food. The party is just started. We're gonna have a good time. And look at this, the king in the house is here finally. We're gonna have a good time. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Give it a good potatoes. Oh yes. Where's the potatoes at? Corn, potato. Let's get an egg here too. Where's the potato? A potato is right here. Right there. There's a potato right there.